Hey tech fans, welcome back to 44 Tech Zone. Today, we're all about Samsung's new star in the mid-range game, the Galaxy A55 5G. This phone's creating quite the buzz, and we're here to break down everything from its cool features to how much it'll cost you. Excited? Let's jump right in. Looking for a phone that delivers big on features without the big price tag? You've landed in the right spot. Under the hood of the Galaxy A55 5G. First off, let's take a peek at what makes this phone tick. The Galaxy A55 5G rocks a Samsung Exynos 1480 processor, hitting speeds of 2.75 GHz. Whether you're a gamer or a multitasking wizard, this phone keeps up without breaking a sweat. Space for days? Concerned about storage? Don't be. With options starting from 6GB RAM and 128GB storage to 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, you're all set. Need more? Just slot in a micro SD card for extra room. Visuals and snaps. The display and camera setup is where the A55 5G shines. Enjoy a 6.5-inch FHD Plus screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-clear viewing. The triple camera system, featuring a 50-megapixel main shooter along with 5-megapixel ultra-wide and macro lenses, has your photo needs covered. Selfie lovers, rejoice with a 32-megapixel front camera. Battery and OS. Let's talk battery and brains. Say adios to battery anxiety with a massive 5000 mAh battery and speedy 25W charging. Fresh out of the box, you get Android 14, packing the latest in software goodness. Getting your hands on it. Circle March 11th on your calendars, folks. That's when the Galaxy A55 5G drops in Europe, priced at an attractive €450. It's quite the deal for what you get. The Galaxy A55 5G is here to shake up the mid-range scene, offering premium perks at a price that's nice to your wallet. Excited about the Galaxy A55 5G? Hit that like, share this video with pals, and subscribe for the latest in tech. Got questions or thoughts on the A55 5G? Comment below. We're keen to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and stick around for more tech deep dives in our upcoming videos. Catch you next time.